V, A, and again I, V, A, and again I, V, A, and again Ivan the Inspector!
Hi friends, Ivan the Inspector here, and today we're going to be inspecting farm animals. Won't you come along and learn with me? That's great, let's go, come on. So we're here at a fall harvest orchard is what it's called. It's like a fall festival kind of thing. They've got so many fun things to check out. And today we're going to be checking out farm animals. It's going to be so much fun. What kind of animals do you think are farm animals? Can you think about it? Do you think squirrels live on farms? No, well, they might live on a farm, but they probably don't get taken care of. Let's see, like pigs. Pigs are farm animals. I mean, we'll see some pigs. Or maybe my favorite, a giant cow. Are you ready for this? We're gonna see a really, really big cow over here. Come look at this. Hi there, cow. How are you doing today? Look at that. He's so fluffy and furry. Oh, look at the horns on that thing. They're huge. You know, my son calls this the big horn apple cow. Now, I see the big horns. Why do you think he calls them apple? Why is there apple in that name? Hey, are you hungry, buddy? Do you think maybe we could feed this cow? What do you think the cow eats? Cow, what would you like to eat? What do you think? Oh, I think he wants an apple. Hey, look at this. Here we go. Let's grab an apple. Ho, ho, ho. Here we go. We got an apple. Hey cow, would you like an apple to eat? Are you ready for this? We're gonna feed it. So whenever you feed an animal, you gotta keep your hand open like this so they don't get at your fingers. Ready? He ate the apple. That was so cool. Hey, how did that taste, buddy? Oh, he says it was good. I bet it was good. He ate the whole thing in just one bite. All right, here we go. Let's walk over here. Let's see what else we can find. Oh, look at this. We got some bags of feed. Look at this, look in here. We got like maybe some grain or some seeds of some kind in there. All right, here, let's see what we can feed with these. Come on. Now, I bet you the bighorn apple cow would not like this feed, right? You don't want any of this? Wow, almost fell. Nope, he doesn't want any. Oh, look at this. What animal is this here? This is a goat. I bet you the goat would like some of this food. Do you want some of this food, goat? Here we go, let's put it in our hand. Remember, keep the hand flat. Oh. Did you see that? His tongue is just sticking out. He's so excited. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's very shy. Does not want to be on YouTube. All right, here we go, goat. You want to go down? Oh, there we go. You want some too, buddy? Look at the beard on that goat. Look at that. He's got a little goatee. Hey, do you think that's why they call it a goatee? I don't know. All right, here we go. We got some more grain. Oh, here, you want to go up here? Oh, yeah. Get in there and eat that goatee, goat. All right, here we go. Do you see the horns on these goats too? Oh, two of them at once. I tickle so much on my hand. Oh my goodness, that's so fun. Here we go. Let's try it again. Just make sure you don't accidentally eat the ring off my finger. Oh, yeah, there we go. Do you see how fast their tongues are? All right, here we go. Let's pour it out. We're almost done with it. Oh, here, I think some of these want some. Oh, hey, that wasn't very nice. Here, I'll give it to the white. There we go, buddy. Oh, yeah, here we go. Oh, and get it to the little one. Here you go, buddy. Yeah, the baby's got to eat too. All right, here we go. We're almost all done with this. Here we go. Let's get it to the little one. Here you go, buddy. Oh, look at that. Yum, 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 yum. All right, goatee boy, here we go. Yep, yum, 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 yum. And get all the rest off there. That was so much fun feeding the goats. Yeah, I'll nibble down my hand. That was so much. Here, let's wipe it off. I can't believe it. Oh, there's another bighorn apple cow. Hi, cow. Yeah, oh, did you know that these cows are called Scottish Highland cattle? That's pretty cool. Their names are Sunny, which is the reddish one, and Moose, which is the brown one. Wow, that's pretty cool. Hi, Sunny and Moose. What cool cows. That is so much fun. All right, so we had animals touch our hands, so we are going to use some hand sanitizer. Very important. It's this gel stuff. You're going to put it on and you're rubbing your hands like this. It's kind of like washing your hands, but it disinfects it, which is great. Got to make sure that we don't get sick or anything. Hey, cool, look at this. Hey, we've got some trivia. That's a fun word. Have you ever heard of trivia? Trivia is where you have like a fact, ask you a question, you got to try and think through what the answer will be. Okay, so here we go. The age of a goat can be determined by its, and it's one of these. It's either teeth, horns, length of the beard, or hooves. Do you think it's teeth, horn, length of beard, or the hooves? I like the length of beard one. That one sounds really fun. And then we'll flip this up and see what the answer is. It's A! Did you know that you can determine a goat's age by its teeth. That's pretty darn cool. Look at that. Hey goat, how old are you? Can you show me your teeth? Say cheese. Are you gonna say cheese? No, okay. All right, he wasn't listening. Maybe we'll get the next goat. Maybe the next one will listen. What do you think? All right, let's see what else we can find here. Oh, look in here. We've got a bunch of roosters and chickens. They're so fun. Wow, they look really awesome. Hey, do you think maybe we could go in and try and say hi to some of the chickens? What do you think? Here, let's jump it over like this. Let's walk in here into the chicken coop. Gotta close it, make sure we don't get any chickens running out of here. That would be very irresponsible. Look at this. They've got their feed in here. It looks like it's corn. Kind of all mashed up in there. Hey chickens, hey roosters. Yeah, they're not so sure. Look at this one. He looks so cute. Hi, buddy. Oh, do you see some of them have like a little red mohawk on top of their head? Cock-a-doodle-doo is what they say. Isn't that so cool? Here, come on over here and say, hey, how's it going? Look at this. They've got these little houses for themselves. Yep. Look at that. Isn't that so cool? Wow, so much fun seeing the chickens, huh? All right, let's see what else we can find around here. Oh, yep, chicken, you go that way. Yep, no, it's okay, you can do it, bud. Yep, just keep walking. Nope, keep walking. He is not so sure about me, is he? Right. Whew. I thought we got locked in here for a minute. I'm really glad we didn't get locked in. That would have been really funny, huh? All right, let's close this, make sure it locks. Keep all the chickens in there, all right? Okay, let's see what other kind of animals we can find on the farm. Let's see, oh, look, over here. Look at all the little goats. Hey, goat. Look at that, we've got so many more goats here. Let's see if we can see any teeth. Can you smile? Cheese. How about you? Cheese. Nope. I'm not seeing any teeth on these goats, unfortunately, but maybe one of them will smile for you. Ready? Cheese. Oh, that one's got blue eyes. Look at that. Hi, buddy. Such blue eyes. I have a great idea. Can we take a goat dance break? Come on, get up and dance with you. Ready to dance? Go, here we go. I feel so much better after that dance break, don't you? Don't you, goats? Well, thank you so much, goats. We'll see you later. Bye, goat. That's cool. All right, let's see what other animals we can find here. Other farm animals at the Orchard Festival. Oh, look at this in here. Look at that. We've got a potbelly pig. Hi, buddy. He is so big, isn't he? You've been eating well. And look at that. Over there, we've got a little one, a little piglet. Hey there, piglet. How's it going, buddy? Look at that, they're all covered in mud and they love it. Let me tell you about, oh, hey, look over there. Look over there, do you see? It's a little baby goat. He's so tiny. He's just a little itty bitty baby goat, that's so cute. And look at that, you've got some turkeys, you see that? Gobble, gobble, gobble. Wow, look at that, they've got that things hanging off their neck. It looks so cool. All right, let's see what other animals we can find around here. Look at this over here. Got some more roosters there. We've got a white turkey over there. Look at that, gobble, 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 gobble. Wow, that's so cool. Hey, I wonder if we can see some of the animals in here. What do you think? Let's go over here and see what we can find. Look, oh, look at that. It's a bunny. He's got such long hair. You need a haircut, bunny. That's so silly. What else do we have in here? Oh, look at here. We've got little itty bitty kittens. Oh, they're so cute. That's so cute. All right, here we go. We're gonna go over here and look at that. We got some baby chicks. Hey, guess what? I think that we can go hold some baby chicks, but we gotta go find them over here, all right? Let's see, what else can we find? Let's go, let's go. Here we go. Let's see if we can find some baby chicks over here, huh? Let's jump in here. We found some baby chicks and it says, beware, tiny dinosaurs. That's so silly. They're not actually dinosaurs. They're just chicks. Come here. Come here, chicky, chicky, chick. Oh, look at that. Oh, you're eating some grass. Look at that. He's in the middle of eating some grass. Oh, isn't he so cute? He is so soft and fluffy. Isn't that so fun? Well, hey, thank you so much for coming along and learning about farm animals with me today. Thank you especially to Fall Harvest Orchard for letting us come check out all of their really cute, fun animals. They're in Delano, Minnesota, so if you live close, you should come check them out. They're so much fun. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, watch Ivan the Inspector. Are you ready to wave, buddy? Bye.
And again, and again, and again, Ivan the Inspector.